This is the mullet from Gerber. Today's EDC user wants a multi-tool that's tough and travels easy. The mullet is ready for anything life throws at you with 9 tools, including cross driver, 1/4 inch hex driver, belt loop carry, bottle opener, scraper, wire cutter, nail puller, large flathead driver, and small flathead driver. It's available in 2 colors. Ideal as a keychain and designed for belt loop carry, this solid-state multi-tool works hard and plays hard.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.
Just incredible here. I've got 18 powerful everyday tools with me. And no, it's not any of these, but it's right here in my wallet. This is the Wallet Ninja. It's got 6 wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, 4 openers, 2 rulers, fruit peeler, even a cell phone stand. You're gonna use this bad boy every day of your life. And let me show you why. You got your Phillips, flathead, virtually any sized household screw, including those teeny tiny ones and eyeglasses. 6 sized hex wrenches for a quick tighten, can opener for camping trips, bottle opener for barbecues, box opener, fruit peeler, letter opener. It has a centimeter ruler on one side. Flip it over, you got inches, 2 whole inches. That's all you really need. Now watch, slide any credit card into the slit, and now it's a stand for your smartphone. What? We just took all this and put it into this. Wallet Ninja is made from 4 times heat-treated stainless steel.
4 times.
Guaranteed to never rust, bend, or dull. And to prove the power of Wallet Ninja, we invited fitness personality James Ellis to try and bend it. Yeah, I thought so. And hey, you might have already forgotten, but this thing is the size of a credit card, so it fits right inside your wallet. And one more thing, it's TSA approved, so it won't get snagged at the airport.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Viva keychain multi-tool designed by Leon Ma. Essentially, this is just a nice little tool to carry on your belt, hang your keys off of, that sort of thing. It's got a bottle opener right here. It's got a chisel slash screwdriver, flathead screwdriver slash pry bar right there. This is made of a stainless steel. You've got box wrenches right there, a 1/4 inch hex wrench, and a couple other sizes as well as a lanyard loop right there. Nice thing is you can hang this off your pants if you would like. You can hook your keys to it, roll with it however you would like. Pretty cool little tool designed by Leon Ma. Let me show you a shot of it on my belt loop to give you an idea of how it rides. So pretty cool little tool. The weight on it is 1.1 ounces. Let me show you a size comparison next to a ruler in inches. There you go. Overall length on this is just under 4 inches at 3.9. So pretty cool little tool. Enjoy some brewskis with your broskies And you've also got that pry and a couple other handy little tools on there. So there you have it. It's called the Viva, designed by Leon Ma. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.